McWay Falls, a hidden gem nestled along the rugged Big Sur coastline in California. Tucked inside Julia Pfeiffer Burns State Park, this stunning 80-foot waterfall plunges directly onto a secluded sandy cove, meeting the turquoise waters of the Pacific in a gentle spray. It's an exceedingly rare tidefall, one of the few in the world where fresh water tumbles gracefully into the ocean below. The state park's trails offer mesmerizing vantage points, allowing you to gaze upon the falls from high above the cove. Standing on the overlook, you feel a coastal breeze brush your cheeks, carrying with it the scent of salt and wild sage. Below, the cove glimmers in the sunlight, the water shifting colors from vivid turquoise to deep cobalt as the waves caress the shore. That little stretch of sand, unreachable as it may be, holds an irresistible allure. It's like a secret that refuses to be shared, whispering its invitation in a language only the most daring hearts can understand. If you linger a while, you might notice that the gentle roar of McWay Creek as it rushes toward the sea almost seems to speak. Close your eyes and listen. It tells stories of ancient geology, resilient coastal trees, and the unrelenting spirit of the Pacific's tides. You can't help but be drawn closer, wanting to slip past the barriers, yearning to stand where so few have stood before. It's a forbidden fruit indeed, the perfect patch of golden sand that no one may tread, shimmering in the midday sun like a promise of paradise. In the beach below, you and your woman have found a way down to that reclusive beach. The echoes of the world fade behind you, leaving only the constant rhythm of waves and the soft thunder of her heart in your chest. You set foot on the sand, cool and velvet-like beneath you. The cove wraps itself around her like an embrace, and the roar of the ocean resonates her body, fueling each heartbeat with excitement. In this reverie, the two of you slip beneath the cascading water, bodies warmed not by the sun, but by the thrill of sharing a secret. The fall's mist transforms into a silken veil, draping over skin as though it were your only clothing. In that charged instant, each lingering touch feels like a spark, the rush of water fusing with the warmth of two entwined silhouettes. The hush of the cove makes every quiet breath and whispered word echo with promise, as if this hidden beach were built for the very purpose of sheltering such private moments. Surrounded by the hush of ocean spray and the hush-hush of a clandestine rendezvous, a knowing glance passes between you, confirming that the forbidden nature of this place somehow deepens the bond you share. An unspoken vow woven into the shimmer of each droplet, catching the golden light. For a moment in time, the rest of the world ceases to exist. Just you, your beloved, in the power of nature weaving a tapestry of enchantment around you both. The currents swirl gently at your feet, and every sense is awakened to the possibilities of love, adventure, and quiet rebellion against the ordinary. So, as the sun warms your shoulders and the sea breeze tousles your hair, let McWay Falls enchant you with its cascading water and hidden shore. Remember that sometimes the strongest allure is born from what remains just out of reach. An enduring promise of beauty, mystery, and the quiet thrill of imagining just a bit more than what meets the eye.